In this question, you're given that if this equation x square minus 4x plus log a to the base half is equal to 0 does not have two distinct roots, the maximum value of a is equal to how much? So if this equation does not have two distinct roots, that means d has to be less than or equal to 0. So if this equation does not have two distinct real roots, then d less than or equal to 0. And this means the discriminant is b square minus 4ac, 16 minus 4 times log a to the base half less than or equal to 0. This implies 4 log a to the base half is greater than or equal to 16. Is greater than or equal to 16. So this 4 gets cancelled 4 times. This implies log a to the base half is greater than or equal to 4. Now if you try to convert this into exponential form, so you get a is less than or equal to half to the power 4. The sign of the inequality reverses because the base is in between 0 and 1. If the base is in between 0 and 1, log is a decreasing function. So when you convert the logarithmic function into exponential function, the sign of inequality reverses. So this implies a is less than or equal to 1 by 16. So you're asked to find the maximum value of a. What is the highest possible value of a? This condition says that a has to be less than or equal to 1 by 16. A has to be less than or equal to 1 by 16. So 1 by 16 will be the maximum value of a. So that's the answer to this question. Thank you.